in the period of 4 weeks, which was the month of October for that fish, we had one fish that traveled 400 miles.
Wow.
It was tagged Round Island, Mississippi, and it traveled from there to Deer Island, out to Horn, along the Barrier Islands to Dauphin Island, and then it transitioned back into, I guess it was around Ship Island, jumped into Biloxi Bay, pretty much right off of Marsh Point.
Wow.
And then from there, jumped out to the Biloxi Marsh, on down south, Breton Sound, back up towards around FH13, and then ended up popping off back in the Breton Sound area after that. And that was in the matter of the month of October.
No wonder we can't find them.
Well,
No wonder.
They're called lazy fish.
Yeah, they do, and they look like they just
and
chill
they're
there the whole
laying
time.
underneath a crab buoy, but
They're
they're
getting
moving.
after it.
They're rolling.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, that gives us a real glimpse into their life history that we don't have a good concept for. And that's the basis of this research, is trying to understand more about the fish so we can manage them a little
It
better.
sounds more like a grazer, like a wildebeest or something on the African plains, right? Like figuring out where the food's at and just going for it, right? Maybe these big, large distances.
Oh, with fish, I mean, there's only so many things that matter to them. So if it's not following food, it might be for spawning. And it is
water
peak
temperature, yeah.
spawning season, August, September, October.
So it's like a human.
Yeah.
So we've got a few theories that we've been working through, and I'll guess we'll get to the theories.
Yeah.
So-
There's about to be at the end.
Yeah.
But so we got through that year, and we got great data about the local movements. Mississippi Sound, very connected to Mobile Bay, very connected on down to Chandelier, Breton Sound,
Right.
Venice. Very interconnected. So, all right, made us feel like we could tag fish anywhere from Venice to Mobile Bay and
Get the
feel
same
like
result. Yeah.
exactly. So
Yeah.
it opens our options a little bit.
Right.
So in 2022, we did some tagging out of Mississippi. We got about 7 tags in the Mississippi Sound, and then we got another 32 tags with Paul Miller out of Venice.
Venice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tuna talk.
Yeah.
In addition to that, got over to the Apalachicola area and put out some tags there, and some tags down in the Florida Keys. So we got 5 tags, 7 tags, and 32 tags.
Is this through the DMR, or is it through the USM Research Lab, or who are tagging these fish?
This is the DMR that is funding this research through the Sportfish Restoration, myself doing the tagging.
Okay.
But then I've cooperated with several agencies in
Right.
order to get this done. FWC over in Florida, the Gulf States Marine Fisheries Commission was responsible for getting fish down in the Keys. We've partnered with Texas Parks and Wildlife and LDWF, pretty much everybody.
Yeah.
We've had work and help with getting these tags out to all the various locations.